Good morning, everybody. It's Mrs. Syverson, and I'm here today to talk to you about inferencing. And I know from your kindergarten teacher that you've done some inferencing this year and inferring about texts. And when we infer, it's when we use the information from the text and our background knowledge in order to figure things out about the text that maybe the author didn't tell you. So today we're going to try this in a different way, a fun way, just like we do in the books that we read. We're going to practice inferring using pictures and photos. And with those photos, we're going to use our background knowledge. And I'm going to teach you a new word today. That background knowledge is called schema. So we're going to use our schema, our background knowledge, and think about what we know from the picture that maybe nobody's told us, but we just know because we have knowledge of those things. Are you ready to try that today with me? Here's our first picture. In this picture, I see a boy. The boy is on a roller coaster. I'm guessing that they're probably at an amusement park. I know that because I've been to amusement parks before, and I know that there's roller coasters there. Like I've been to Disneyland and I've been to Knott's Berry Farm, and both of those places have roller coasters. I bet you've been to those places too, maybe. Also, when I look at this picture, I think, it looks like the boy is on a roller coaster, but that the roller coaster is going fast. How do I know that? Well, I infer that because I see in the photo that his hair is blowing back in the wind. And also, another thing that I infer at the same time that I think he's going fast is that maybe he's scared and he's screaming. I know that because I know you have to open your mouth to scream. I know that when you get scared, you scream. And it seems like he's doing both in the picture, going fast and screaming. Another thing, and the last thing that I think about with this particular photo, is that this boy's with a grown-up on the roller coaster. How do I know that? Well, I see off to the left side of him a bigger person sitting next to him, but it's my background knowledge of knowing that sometimes when you're only a certain height, you have to go on a roller coaster with an adult. That's how I know that maybe this person is with an adult on a roller coaster. Don't you kind of wish you were on a roller coaster right now? I do. The next picture we're going to do together. Here, I want you to think about certain things as you look at this. We're going to use our background knowledge to talk about this picture with maybe somebody else, or to write about it or think about it. When I look at this picture, I think, what time of year might this be? What might be happening outside? What might this person be doing? And there are things in my background knowledge that might tell me those answers. So I hope that you can do that with this picture. And what I would love to do is come back another day and show you some inferencing with not photographs, but something else. I hope you try this with your parents, boys and girls, and have a great day.